Hi, in this video we're going to go over a Twitter sheet that I've been selling now, and it just broke over $1,000 in sales. I wanted to share this special moment with you and also to celebrate, let you in on the secrets. There are two secrets inside the sheet. Before we get to it, let me show you. So this is where you can actually go to 100twittertemplates.com or even just twittertemplates.com. I have two sheets, both combined have added up to $1,000. Here's my Gumroad analytics from all time from April 6, 2020, $1,005.05 from 1,300 sales. Why is that? That's a lot of money. That's a lot of sales, right? Well, Better Sheets members get this for free. So 100 Twitter templates, if you see it's priced $15 right now. If you become a member at bettersheets.co, lifetime members get 100 Twitter templates for free. And also the 100 Twitter starters as well, which is the same sheet but different tweets. Now, why I'm going to share this with you is because, why am I sharing you the secrets? It's because I also have twittertemplates.com, which is a Google Sheet that shares other people's tweets. So if you can get that in mind, if you take the lessons that I learned in this video, and I'm going to give you one other video to watch, you can create your own sheet. Let me know and I'll promote it. I'll promote it at twittertemplates.com. So to get that out of the way, there are two secrets that are within a sheet that tweets. What they are is the first one I'm going to go through in this video, and the second one I have another video for you to watch, which is headline generator. You can watch right here, and it's going to be really cool. So there's one secret I'm going to reveal, and here it is. It's actually a Twitter secret, not even a Google Sheet secret. It is a Twitter secret. It is a web intent URL. It is a tweet intent URL, however you want to call it. Twitter allows this. They share it. A lot of web apps use this, and we can use this too. Now I'm going to show you exactly how this works and what you can do to use the power of Google Sheets to make this even cooler. So what we're going to have is this URL, and literally it's just twitter.com/intent/tweet. It's right here on the developer Twitter website. We're going to put this into a sheet. Now, that doesn't do much, right? What this does, actually, if we click it, it's going to open my Twitter and have a draft here waiting for me. That's not all we can do. We can do more. We can add at the end of this URL a question mark, and then we write text equals, and then we can write anything we want. So it can say hello. Now, when we click that link, it opens a draft with hello. This is really cool. We can draft tweets within a sheet. That's pretty cool. But, it's going to be convoluted if we have to write this URL out every single time. And if we can only write one word and we have to go in here and write it, it's just like writing in Twitter, right? But we want to allow others to tweet, others to use these tweets. So we're going to use the magic of spreadsheets, and we're going to reference another cell. But first, I want to turn this into a button. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to do equals hyperlink. The URL is going to be, in quotes, this text. I'm going to also add and B2. And that's the hyperlink. That's a link we're going to actually click. But the text we're going to click, I want to make it a little easier to read instead of just this long URL. And I'm going to say, click, tweet this. I'm going to write tweet this in quotes. In parentheses. Now, we have this pretty cool Twitter intent URL that opens Twitter right away, allows us to tweet whatever we write in here, and it's pointing to B2. So we can go, hello. Now when we click this, let's see what happens. It says, hello, I'm a tweet. That's pretty awesome. And that is the first secret to the Twitter templates sheet. Now, there is another secret in which, let's finish it up, right? I think you can finish this up. But we just copy and paste this all the way down. We can even go 1,000, right? And we can write 1,000 tweets here. There's a couple of other things we can do that aren't so secret. We can do equals LEN and do B2. Now we have a character count. We have the tweet, and we have the link, the URL. We can take that all the way down. So now we have the character count for everything. We can say, hey, what's going on? 21 characters. That's within the 280 character limit. Hey, what's going on? And we can write our tweets directly in Google Sheets. Isn't that really cool? So that's the first, secret but I shared with you the Twitter intent URL. And in order to build more tweets than you can write at one time, right? Now we are able to tweet immediately whatever we write. We can do anything in the sheet and we can tweet it. Cool. But what happens if we come up with formats or we want to create tweets that are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 words different than each other instead of just like the entire tweet is different? We can generate more tweets. Now, I'm not going to cover this in this video, but you have to watch this other video. This is Headline Generator. And in that, I help you create more than you can do on your own. So you don't have to write everything out all the way. You can generate much more than you can do. So watch that video, and I hope you learned something cool, and hope you can make $1,000 yourself from tweets.